Hi there. ACE is the face of value. And when it comes to value and answering those questions that individuals have to answer with regard to what type of educational background they want to have, ACE does a great job at filling in those blanks. But first, before we get to that, let's talk about ACE being a B corporation and what that means and attaining that certification. When it comes to rigorous standards of transparency, accountability, and performance, ACE meets all of those. And they ultimately meeting this certification is due to the fact that they serve a higher purpose for society when it comes to meeting the needs of each individual. They're also backed by the Higher Learning Commission, and that's actually the face of the accreditation process. You can see on the front page of this the top Masters of Education programs, amongst ACE's 31 other programs. ACE becomes the cheapest when it comes to value for an individual's education assessment here. Going along with that, the amenities that ACE provides was low tuition. Okay, so you saw the example on the front page with the Masters of Education example. They also have 31 other programs reaching from bachelor's programs to master's to the doctoral level to the certification process. Time convenience. As I said, answering those questions of value, if a person has a family, if they have a job, when it comes to commitment of time, ACE with its online format is able to answer those questions. The admissions requirements, as far as convenience of that, most schools require the GRE testing. ACE does not have that, which may simplify the admissions process. Expert and experienced facilitators of programs with great educational backgrounds and leadership will be also something that will be intriguing to the student body. Partnerships. I'm a perfect example of utilizing a partnership with a school district to give me an even bigger discount when it comes to paying for my tuition. Credit transfer policy. Personally, I was able to attain an educational specialist degree in December of 2017. I transferred that entire degree over to the educational doctorate program here at ACE, which was fantastic. Like I said, as far as the HLC, the Higher Learning Commission, and the accreditation process, and of course the benefit corporation being a B Corp, definitely adds to the value that ACE can provide. So again, ACE is the face of value. Take care.